Hello, Taeyang. Taeyang looked at the door and see his best friend. He smiled and come close to him. Taeyang, hello, my baby, say and hug him tightly. He smiled and both sat down. Taeyang, I miss you so much. Jimin cutely smiled. Jimin, me too. Taeyang, I am amazed how today you remember me. Jimin smiled and looking down to Jimin. What happened? His mom, Mrs. Min, come. Mrs. Min, hello, cutie pie. Say, make Jimin just nodded. Mrs. Min, what happened? Jimin, auntie, I need your help. Looking down and say, Mrs. Min, tell me what happened. अब इतना ज़्यादा टैक्स पड़ा है, मैं इसका क्या करूँ? हाँ चिंबो, नहीं नहीं नहीं, सिम्बा ने मारना, सिम्बा की तरफ नहीं जाना भाई। सिम्बा वो बदतमीज़ हो गई है, सिम्बा मारती है। हाय टाइम क्या हो गया? 2 बजने लगी होंगे लास्ट में, 2 बज जाने। हाय एकेडमी भी जाना, सब कुछ करना। Jimin took a deep breath. Jimin, auntie, my stepmom fixed my marriage with Chipla's old man because he gave her money. Tears start rolling down. Jimin, there is no one who listens to me. That's why I come here. Looking down and try to control himself. Mrs. Min did. Don't try. I talk with your mom. Smile and say he hardly nodded as no. Jimin, please, auntie, if you tell her I come to you, so she start to. And so Mrs. Min Chiang, you both go in the room. He nodded. Jimin stand up and about to turn his side, but at this moment he sees someone who come toward the living room. Simbo, sorry. सिम्बो, सिम्बो, नहीं 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 नहीं, सिम्बो को नहीं बुलाना, सिम्बो को नहीं बुलाना। सिम्बा गुस्से से देखती है। ना वो नहीं बात सुनती। He didn't say his face and go with Chiang. What happened? Why you call me? Mrs. Min, at least sit down, Yoongi. Say, make he sit down. She tell him everything, Yoongi, what you want from me. Look at her and ask Mrs. Min, Jimin mom is my best friend. And you know that I want to marry him. Yoongi look at her and raise one eyebrow. Yoongi, did you try to talk with his stepmother? Mrs. Min, no, but I don't want now. He goes somewhere. Yoongi, mom, Mrs. Min, Yoongi, please, I always want Jimin become my son-in-law. Yoongi, okay. Mrs. Min, huh? Really? Jimin, Yoongi, yes. After that, we both not stay here. Mean we stay together a separate house. To answer Mrs. Min, okay, fine. Jimbo, गल सुनी? सिम्बो बात सुनना। सिम्बो, सिम्बो बात सुनना। सिम्बो बात तो सुन लो। सिम्बा, डीट। Yoongi, stand up. Yoongi, I am in my room. Call me when come. She nodded and she go. Mrs. Min, mind you know that after you, there is no one who handle your son. That's why you told me. Think and smile. Simba, Simbo, Simbo, Simbo ji, Simbo, Simba, Simbo. नहीं नहीं नहीं, सिम्बो कुछ नहीं, सिम्बो कुछ नहीं, कुछ नहीं, सिम्बो कुछ नहीं। अच्छा अब नहीं करती सिम्बो। Time skip. Night time. Yoonmin enter in the house. Jimin is very scared plus nervous, and Yoongi know very well Jimin condition. Yoongi go to this room and change. अच्छा sorry अब नहीं करती पक्का। Yoongi go to this room and change your clothes. I ordered a dinner. Say make he hardly nodded. Sometimes later when he come back, He said Yoongi was to sit in the couch, but his eyes is closed like he's very tired. He silently stand up. Yoongi, why you are standing here? His eyes still closed, and he asked him, Jimin, I'm sorry for me you performed this match, but I promise I never tease you, and if you want, you can give me. He listened, his eyes get open. He hurriedly stand up and come close, and Jimin gets scared. He started to take his step back. Simba, Simbo, Simbo, Simbo बात सुनना Simbo. अच्छा अच्छा सॉरी अब नहीं करती Simbo सॉरी अच्छा सॉरी Simbo सॉरी बस अब सिम्बा को किसी ने तंग नहीं करना सिम्बा ने सोना है सिम्बा ऐसे मुझे तंग करती है but his back touched to the wall and Chungi covered the distance. Jimin stopped his because if he really is the surely it's just Yoongi for you. I think very easy for you. Be very easy, right? See, and if someone moves surely. Yoongi listen carefully, look at him and say he look into his eyes. Yoongi, if I listen again these words so you don't know what I done with you. I'm Yoongi and you think I want me but remember no one. Yoongi say make Jimin eyes wide and is looking down one hand in Jimin and make him more closer. Jimin eyes wide mean Yoongi maybe because and he closed his eyes tightly. Yoongi hold जिम्बो टैक्स ख़त्म हो गया सिम्बा टैक्स ख़त्म हो गया सिम्बा टैक्स ख़त्म हो गया Yoongi smile. He takes his step back and see Jimin's red face. His smile. Yoongi come say make him nodded. Go sit down. Next day, Jimin was busy doing his work. Today, Yoongi didn't go office because of some reasons. He is busy. Then Yoongi come close to him. Jimin, did you need anything? Asked Yoongi. Yes, I want. Jimin, oh, please tell me what you want. Asked to him. Yoongi come close to him. Yoongi, I want my. His father is looking down. Yoongi smiling. What happened? Jimin didn't say anything. So he come to him. Jimin heart started to beating fast. Yoongi hold his hand. Jimin both hands are he tightly closes his eyes. Yoongi smiling. Why you are scared from me? Huh. Sorry. अच्छा sorry. नहीं sorry. हाँ. Simba. Check. Jimin, no, I'm not scared. Say Yoongi, really? More close to him and said Jimin nodded. Yoongi, okay then. If you didn't scared from me, he said make Jimin eyes wide and Jimin, huh? Shockingly, Yoongi, what happened? Tightly, Jimin tightened Jimin's grip and said Jimin, Yoongi, yes. Jimin, I can't say Yoongi, okay then I do this. He said and about the doorbell ring. Jimin push Yoongi aside. Yoongi smiled to see his prisoner. Jimin go and open the door. Yoongi, who come? Angry say because he Simba बात सुनना Simbo बात सुन नहीं Simbo सुनी Simbo बात सुनना अच्छा sorry अच्छा Simba sorry Simbo बात सुनना Simbo बात सुनना Simbo बात सुनना She ruined Yoongi doorbell open and Jungkook enter in the house. Yoongi see him and roll his eyes. Jungkook, hello Jimin. He come in the kitchen and said, Jimin smile and say, Jimin, how are you, Young? Smile and asked him, Yoongi, I know you don't have any shame because you come here. Jungkook eyes widen. Jimin looking down and smile. Jimin, nothing. Young, tell me, do you want to eat something? Asked him. Jungkook, yeah, sure. Yoongi, no need to give him anything. Go to your room and you come with me angrily. Jimin chuckle and Yoongi and Jungkook go in the living room. Jimin make coffee for him. After serving him, he go in his room. अच्छा है ना जिम्बो 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 बात सुनो जिम्बो जिम्बो सिम्बा ना सही वाला इग्नोर कर रही है सिम्बा जिम्बो सिम्बा रानी सिम्बो सिम्बा सिम्बा बात सुन लो सिम्बा बात सुनो अच्छा सॉरी सॉरी अब नहीं करती है देखो वॉइस ओवर करने लगी हूँ Yoongi enter in the room and Jimin is busy to using his phone. He went toward him. He went to wardrobe. Jimin see Yoongi. अच्छा sorry हाँ Jimin see Yoongi packing his stuff. He gets scared. Jimin Yoongi what happened? Asked him. Yoongi look at him and smile. Yoongi today night I have flight. Jimin eyes wide and Jimin huh? But where are you going? Asked him. Yoongi London but don't worry I come soon. Say. Jimin hold his hand and nodded as no. Yoongi see him and smiling. It's okay. I told you I come soon. Jimin but how I stay here alone? Only 2 weeks. Jimin huh? It's 15 days. Asked him. Yoongi smiled and nodded. Jimin looked into another side. Jimin looked in Simba. Simbo 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 Simba नहीं मैं वॉइस ओवर करने लगी हूँ सिम्बो ये देखो वॉइस ओवर यूंगी एंटर इन द रूम सिम्बा बड़े गुस्से में बैठी है हाँ सिम्बो को तो बहुत गुस्सा है इसलिए अब वॉइस ओवर करके फिर इसे मैं तंग करूँगी Yoongi, what happened? Jimin, I don't want to talk with you, so leave me alone, say, and lay on the bed. He covered himself with the help of blanket. He sees cute baby smile and lay beside him. He feel like Jimin is coming. Yoongi, I told you now I come back soon. Make Jimin didn't say anything. Jimin forehead. काम ही कोई नहीं Yoongi को सिवाय है ना सिम्बो 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 मैंने सही कहा ना है सिम्बो 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 मैंने सही कहा नहीं सिम्बो मैंने कुछ भी नहीं कहा मेरा दिमाग खराब है मैंने सिम्बो कुछ कहना है ना सिम्बो आज तो सिम्बो नहाई भी अच्छा वॉइस ओवर Yoongi go for work. Jimin come and main mention because how he stay alone. So he come after 20 days. Today Jimin is very sad because Yoongi didn't come. They Chang come. Chang Jimin, what happened? Asked him Jimin. Nothing. I am fine, Chang. I know you miss Young. Say Jimin eyes get teary. Chang don't worry. He come back soon. Jimin. When he told me he come after 15 days because it's been 20 days he didn't come. Looking down and say, Chang, calm down. Jimin looked at him and smiled. Jimin called Jungkook and asked him where is Yoongi. Chang, I tried but he didn't attend my calls. Jimin, he just come back. Say make Chang chuckle. आजा सिम्बा उठकर ही चली गई उसे पता है मैं सिम्बो रानी हाय सिम्बो माँ सिम्बो गंदी बच्ची वॉइस ओवर करने दो Taeyang, you can say and chuckle. Then Mrs. Min come. Mrs. Min, what you both are doing? Jimin, nothing. Mrs. Min, okay, today night Jen family come. Jimin's eyes widened, but Jimin smiled because he know why Mrs. Min and Jimin. Today we have something good because my son also coming back. Big smile appeared on Jimin's face. Jimin, huh? Really? Mrs. Min, yes. He don't have any plan for coming, but Jungkook want to meet Jang, that's why he's coming. Kid said, but she nodded. Mrs. Min, you make dishes? She also help you. Jimin, I can. Mrs. Min nodded and go to Young. Now what Jimin see? He didn't miss. सिम्बा भी चली गई वहाँ. पूरे पूरे ना 4 मिनट का वॉइस ओवर है. हैं क्या हो गया? ओह मुझे डर गई. मुझे लगा कुछ हो गया, मैं इसलिए डर गई. That's why he don't want to come. Looking down and said, "Oh, it's okay." When he come with him, simple Jimin nodded as no. Chang smiled and again asked him, Chang, I know my Hyung, he come back just for you. Jimin looking down like he don't want to believe his stand up. Jimin come, we have to make a lot of dishes. Chang smiled and nodded. Now both go. माशाल्लाह युंगी आ रहा है जंकुक की वजह से वापस. सही है भाई, शिप भी गलत कर दी है ना सिम्बा. सिम्बो 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 बड़ा गुस्से में है. Night time. Everyone busy to eat. Jimin time to time looked at Chungi, but Chu didn't look at him. Jimin feeling sad, he is looking down and tries best to didn't come out, but it can't be a possible. Yoongi. After 1 week later, both get mad. Mrs. Min, you are right. Jungkook looked at Chaeyoung, who happily looking down. Yoongi stand up. Yoongi, okay mom, now I am going. So mom answered. Jimin also stand up. Mrs. Min, stay here. Smile and nodded as no. Yoongi, it's okay. I am waiting outside. Come. Finally, he talked with Jimin. He nodded. He met with everyone. He don't know what he did. Fast, but he control himself and go. हाँ अलग घर में रहते हैं, कुछ ना कुछ तो होगा ना. ये भी एक बात है, अलग घर में रहना है ना. सिम्बो सिम्बो बली बली आंखों से देख रही है यार. सिम्बो बस देख रही है मैं कमरे से चली जाऊँ, फिर ये सुकून से सोए, क्योंकि मैंने इसके सोना बस मैंने बेचारी का बुरा हाल किया हुआ है ना सिम्बो. वॉइस ओवर ख़त्म ही नहीं हो रहा. मैं बेचारा बंदा क्या करे, वॉइस ओवर ही नहीं ख़त्म होता. Both enter in the room. Yoongi silently sits on the couch. He rests his edge in the couch, but Jimin still stands up. As gets teary, Yoongi, come here, say he slowly come close to him. Jimin, yes. Yoongi holds his hand. Pull him toward him. Now Jimin sit on. Jimin has widened. Yoongi, why you are crying? Jimin looking down. Jimin, you told me you come after 15 days later, but now he smiled. He want to know Yoongi, but why you missing me? Snake and asked him. Jimin, leave me. He say and stand up. Yoongi वैसे बहुत बदतमीज है. कितनी प्यारी है सिम्बा. Yoongi also stand up. Jimin about to go to washroom, but Yoongi hold his hands. Oh, Yoongi, someone missing me. Smile and asked him. Jimin start to. Yoongi chuckle. Yoongi, okay, I'm sorry. Jimin, you also ignore me. Looking down and say, Yoongi, because I control myself. I can't control myself. You're looking very beautiful. Smile and said, Jimin, liar. Yoongi lift his chin. Jimin smile. हाँ ना कोई बात ना कुछ और, बात ही ख़त्म कर दी है ना सिम्बो. चिमू मैं जा रही हूँ, हाँ चिमू मैं जा रही हूँ, चिमू मैं जा रही हूँ, चिमू मैं ऐसे ही जा रही हूँ।